Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm going to be changing out the crankshaft sensor and the camshaft sensor. This car is going to get the treatment today. I've already done this car. It's time to do this one. Before you do anything, you want to jack the car up. Make sure you put a jack stand for support. Safety first. This car will fucking kill you if you're not careful. Next, after you do that, you want to take off the serpentine belt. That way you can get the tension off the compressor. I've already started. I'm just giving you guys an update on what I'm doing. And I'm going to go into the car. And there it is. That's your crankshaft sensor right here. My finger's pointing at. You got to take 3 10mm bolts. And then after you do that, take an 8mm, take this off, and it should come right out. So I'm going to do that, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys. Now after you remove that 8mm bolt, it should just come right out. Just give it a good pull. There you go. There's your crankshaft position sensor. This one is still working order condition and it's fine. It hasn't given me any issues. I'm just doing this for preventative maintenance, guys. Just this piece is very crucial to the car and it what makes the car run. So I'm just doing some preventative maintenance, and I don't have to have an issue with this in the future. And it lives right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the new one in, and we'll be right back. All right, boom. Got the new one in. And yeah, just put the 8mm back bolt on, connect the harness, put the AC compressor back up, and you're done. So we'll get to it, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Got everything buttoned up, harness connected, got the AC compressor tightened down. Last thing to do is put the belt on. So let's go up top. All right, guys, welcome back. I already put the belt on. I'm in the process of changing out the cam sensor. Yeah. I'm going to keep these sensors because there's nothing wrong with them. I took them out of this car in working condition. I'm going to keep them as spares just in case, something happens in the future. I got some sensors. I know they work, and yeah. This one's stuck on it. A little bit of fight. I'll be right back. All right. That thing was pretty stuck on there. I had to use a small flathead to pry it from behind. But it's loose now. It'll come right out. These sensors are original to the car. Wow. They lasted quite some time. I'll just put the new one in. And then you should hear it snap in. Yeah. That's how you know. But that's going to do it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up. You see my other videos of how you want to do it. And just doing some preventative maintenance. That's all I'm doing. But until next time,
Thank you guys for watching. Have a great Wednesday.